Yes. Okay. No more question. We're going to break for 1 minute. I just got some water. And then you all try the next question. Yeah, this one. Vector. Any one of you cannot see the question of vector here? Can, right? I just make it bigger a bit. You not yet answer my question. If the simultaneous equation Q and the equation S, what simultaneous equation Q and equation S to get the coordinate P can? I didn't get you, Alvin. Simultaneous equation Q. What is the simultaneous equation Q? You mean the equation QS? Or what? Wait, later I will show you the vector question after I solve the question for Alvin first. Yeah, Sim Obi got question also. Yeah, okay, you can use the simultaneous equation to find the midpoint. But then you do not have the equation for PR. So why you need to use the to get the coordinate P? Okay, if you want to get the coordinate P, you can either use the coordinate equation for PQ, substitute in the QS, substitute in the PS. Mean PQ and PS, you can get P. Or PQ and PR, you can get P. Means in order to use the simultaneous equation to get the coordinate P, both equations must have something in common, which is P. Can be either PQ, PS, or PS, PR, or PR, PQ. Yeah. Whenever both equations also got a P over there, yes, you can do so. Do I understand? Do I answer your question? Okay, good. Yeah, just now, Obi raised hand. Any problem for Obi? If no, yeah, this is your simultaneous equation. Can you see the question? Yes, good. Try this one. Yeah, today we got 24 students here. Thanks for participating also. Wow, teaching the past year is a bit tiring. I'm not sure why. But yeah. We will go to vector, and then later circular measure, and then later we will go to the probability distribution, and then I think we will stop at this one, which is differentiation. Alright. If we still got time, maybe we'll go to solution of triangle also. Yes, this is MRSM Tri for 2014. Okay, just give you some time to try this one and give me just a few minute break. I will be back. Is that very hard, this question? Actually, I haven't really like go through this question, but I think should be okay. 5 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. Wow, it's a 10 mark question. Yeah, the collinear thing actually is just use the lambda things to, yeah, just like trying to find a ratio. Collinear is same meanings with parallel in vector. Or only use one formula to solve it. Okay, let's start because we have to like fully utilize all our time. Oh, let me see. You haven't seen the Sus Buddy hot books? That one memang gila. Need to draw the diagram yourself. Yeah, I'm quitting after this question. That, yeah, no problem. You can still watch the review. Review lah. I mean the replay. No problem. Just go for your tuition. And I know a lot of you actually have the account exam on Monday. Yeah, I think you should focus your account exam as well. Alright, have a look on this one. Okay, so we got the triangle OPQ, okay, and the straight line OQ. Where's OQ? Okay, OQ and PS, and this is PS, intersect at T. Alright, so I got something phi OT equals to, alright, yeah, everything in the ratio. So yeah, just let me give some color for it. So P, where's PR? Okay, PR, the whole thing here will be, yeah, AX is for a whole thing, PR in this direction. Alright, OP, where's OP? OP in this direction will be Y. Alright, so first one asks us to find OR. OR is simple. Okay, OR, the first one is the most simple one. It's just OP plus PR. Alright, so OP equals to Y, PR equals to AX. Yeah, done. I think this is just 1 mark. And then OT, where's OT? Yeah, you need to find OT. Yeah, we got the phi OT equals to 2OQ, right? So that means we need to find OQ first. And then we should have the ratio for this one. PQ, okay, so I solve, no. So I will not straight away find OQ. I will solve it first. So yeah, so I will solve the thing first before I find that one. So first I'm going to solve the PQ and QR because I got this information over here. Okay, so I'm going to use this information to solve. Sorry. So PQ equals to 3PR. Alright, we got the PR over here. PR is actually just 8x. Alright, so PQ, I move the 8 to this side, will be over 8, right? So PQ will equals to 3x. So if PQ equals to 3x here, oh my god, I shift that one, the arrow also changed. Alright, so if this one PQ I got is 3x, obviously this one is 5x. Alright, you got the idea. 8 and 8 I simplify, I got 3x. Alright, so if I got something like this, yeah, I can get the OQ easily, isn't it? Because I know OQ, I know the OQ actually will equals to OP plus PQ. Will be OP plus PQ. So my OP is just Y, and my PQ I just got it is 3x. Alright, if I know my OP, I can find my OT because of this equation. Do you see that? So I just substitute in. So like 5 OT will equals to 2 OQ. So 5 OT equals to 2 OQ. I substitute is Y plus 3x. So obviously I can move my 5 to the other side. So yeah, 2 multiple in for both. So it will be 2 over 5y. This one 2 multiple in will be 6 over 5x. Done. I think this one is 2 mark also. Alright. Then for the next one, they want PT. PT here. Yeah, you got the OT already. You can get PT easily. Yeah, so PT will equals to PO plus OT. Alright, so for, okay, this is PO, right? For the PO, this is OP is Y, right? So PO is the other direction. So it will be negative Y, okay? Remember this one is negative Y plus OT. OT will be 2 over 5Y plus 6 over 5x. Alright, so 1y like negative 1y plus this one, we still got negative 3 over 5y plus 6 over 5x. Done. 5 mark. Alright, I think this one is 2 mark for PT and 2 mark for OT and 1 mark for OR. Alright, I think this is how they separate the mark. It's not really hard. Okay, so always fully utilize the equation they give to you. Alright, because it's useful. Oh, this is OQ. What happens to my writing? Okay, so far so good. It's so good. I'm going to move on to B. B is very simple. B is just substitute the thing into there. So for over B here, what I have, let me change other color lah. So boring this color. Alright, so we got PS equals to KPT. Normally you have PT because just 1 mark only. So PT, do I have PT? Yes, I have PT. Is negative 3 over 5y plus 6 over 5x. So you just multiply the k into there. So it's 3 over 5 ky plus 6 over 5 kx. Done. Alright, just like this. Just substitute in. Because it says in terms of k, x and y. What? A lot of students think until so difficult for this question. You imagine it's 1 mark question. It's very direct one. Alright, for the second one, because of this one, he say OS will equals to HOR. Okay, because he said express PS, mean we cannot live in OS. So I'm going to call OS is OP plus PS. Okay, equal to HOR. I believe we got the OR. Do we have OR? Yeah, OR is Y plus 8x, right? Yeah, it's over here, OR. Just in case you can't see. Y plus 8x. Yeah, and why I know OS, I can use OP plus PS. You just have a look here. OS, this is OS, right? So I can use OP plus PS. Alright, because I want in terms of PS what? So I definitely will use this one because I know OP. OP equals to Y. Alright, so this is Y plus PS. equals to hy plus 8hx. Alright, then I express ps. I let the ps like this. So I move the y toward this side, will be minus y, right? So it will be h minus 1 bracket y plus 8hx. Okay, I will got minus 1 because here is minus y, right? So I factorize out the y, you will left 1. Alright, if you like very confused, maybe I can explain here. Hy minus y, so I take out the y, I will got h minus 1. Alright, this is how I got this one. So both also in PS, right? So I will actually expect in the part C, they will ask me to find h and k. Because it's very easy, just substitute PS into a PS and do the comparison. Alright, so in the part C, maybe I use green color for part C. So part C is very easy. I just like, maybe I call this one 1, this one 2. I sub 1 into 2. Because both also got PS, so I can easily substitute in. So I got negative 3 over 5. Okay, I arrange x first lah, just to make your life easy. So x is 6 over 5 k, okay, x plus, this is negative 3 over 5 k y equals to this one. X first, so h x plus h minus 1 y. Alright, then what I will do here is I will compare x with x, and then at the same time I will compare y with the y. Alright, so I use the I see someone raise hand. I can't see C. Alright, can you see C now for Munira? And any problem for OB? What is the question C? Oh, you can't see the question C? Yeah, the question C is over here. Hence, find the values of P and the values of H. Can you see it? Alright. Alright, so basically, yes, I'm going to find H and K. So therefore, I substitute the PS into the PS in order to find the H and K. Alright, so yeah, I hope if you all can see, I'm going to continue. So I'm going to comparing x. So I'm comparing x, I will got 6 over 5 k equals to 8h. Alright, maybe I call k will equals to 8h multiple 5 over 6. I simplify, this is 4, this is 3. So maybe equals to 20 over 3h. This is k. Alright, I call it number 3 maybe. And then over here, I comparing y. Okay, I compare y and y. Maybe I should write in purple color. Just to like not confuse you. So I compare, oops, what am I doing? I change to purple color. So I comparing y. Okay, if I comparing y, I got negative 3 over 5 k equals to h minus 1. Alright, so yeah, I call this one 4 maybe. Then I sub 3 into 4 into 4. So what I will have is I will have negative 3 over 5. My k is 20 over 3h equal to h minus 1. So I'm going to solve this one. This is 1. This is 4. 3 and 3 I simplify. So I will got negative 4h equal to h minus 1. So yeah, so 5h equals to 1. So therefore h equals to 1 over 5. Alright, then I substitute back into the k here. So my k will equals to 20 over 3 multiple 1 over 5. So I simplify, I got 4. So k equals to 4 over 3. Done. Alright, so see how I actually find the value for h and k just using the comparing methods. You will find your life is very simple now. Okay, see someone raise hand. Yeah, any question for OB again? Perlu ke letak comparing and substitute? Yeah, it's better you write the comparing. If you never write the comparing, I don't think they will minus mark also, because it's very obvious. But yeah, you just imagine if you are the examiner and everything is like so clear to you, the writing is so nice and so simple. Of course, when you mark, you will give higher mark, right? And then it's not to say higher mark, it's easier for you to give mark, right? So yes, just trying to make everything arranged properly, write very clear. Yeah, I don't think this is something bad. Yes. Yeah, I'm not rusty. Alright, so yeah, bye bye. Yeah, whoever need to leave for your tuition class, just go ahead. Alright, let's continue to next question. Okay, circular measure. Yeah, this one should be okay. Anyone can't see the circular measure question here? The question number 9. Can see the question? Okay, good. Okay, let me start to discuss about this question. Okay, the diagram 9 shows a sector of, yeah, OAC is a sector, obviously. So here we 12 cm also, because this is sector. Alright, and center O, and enclosed in the trapezium OABC. Okay, you see a trapezium here, so I know here and here is parallel because it's a trapezium. Okay, as you show the angle actually is 0.948 radian. So I need to know the angle. So I will need a right triangle. So I form a right triangle here. Since here is 5, so I can know this is 5 and 7. Because total is 12, right? So this is 5, so here will be 7 centimeter. So in the part A, I just draw out the right triangle if you cannot see. So I need to find this angle. I know this is 12, this is 7. So obviously I can use cos. So cos angle just equals to 7 over 12. I can get the angle easily. Make sure you change your calculator to radian. Yeah, then you can get the answer easily. Shift more. Okay, so you just change it to the radian. Then I will press like shift cos 7 over 12. Yep, I got 0.948 radian. Alright. Any mistake here? Yeah, we have to write 948. We cannot write 9479. Alright, because question here asks you to show. So after you got this one, just write shown. Alright, simple, 2 mark. Alright, for B, calculate the parameter of the shaded region. So we want to find a parameter of the shaded region. Of course, we need to know the length for this one. I will call M here maybe. Okay, so I need to find the length of CM first. Do you see C to M? Okay, I need to find the length for C to M. Okay, I call it M here. So CM is very simple. It's just equal to square root of 12 square minus 7 square. I think it's 5, isn't it? 12 square minus 7 square. Oops, it's not. It's not 5. So square root of this one. So yeah, maybe it's 9.747 centimeter. Alright, then I got the CM ready. Means I got this one. This one is same. This is AB is same length with CM, right? So it's 9.747. Alright, then I need to find the arc length AC. So the arc AC, the formula is just S equals to R theta, right? So remember, the S is the arc length. So R over here will be 12. Theta is 0.948. Alright, just use a calculator. So 12 multiple 0.948. So I will got is 11.376. So the parameter, I just sum up for everything. Parameter of shaded region will equals to, yeah, I think OB got some question also. Can we use 2 times pi die r? Can't. Not to say can't, because over here you got radian, right? Because I think your formula you mentioned one have to use the degree one. Yeah, your formula you mentioned is something like angle over 360 multiple 2 pi r, right? Yes, because this one, the angle over here is degree. And then I believe this is MX topic. They will hope to see something like S equals to R data. So yes, you better use back the MX formula. Okay, so yeah, so I want to find a parameter. So it's 5 plus 9.747 plus 11.376. Alright, just solve it. Plus 5 plus 9.747. Yeah, I got the answer. Final answer can round off to 2 decimal place, centimeter. Alright, done part B. Okay, then we go to the part C. Oh no, I mean B2. Alright, area of the shaded region. It's very simple. You just need to find the area of trapezium and then you minus the area of sector. Alright, so I'm going to say area of shaded region. Oh, it's not D, this is R. Alright, so equals to area of trapezium is 1 over 2 A plus B. Where's A? 5 plus 12. So 5 plus 12 multiple the height. Height will be 9.747. Alright, minus the area of sector will be 1 over 2 R square theta, isn't it? So minus 1 over 2 R is 12 square theta is 0.948. Alright, then I solve this one. Yeah, let me see, 17 multiple 9.747. Is this 747? Yeah, correct. And then divide by 2. So this is what? 82.85 minus this one. 144 divided by 2 multiple 0.948. Okay, this is 68.256. So 82.85 minus answer. I will actually get the answer is 14.59 or 594. I think it's fine. I get the same answer with me. Simple. 10 mark. Is it 10 mark? Yeah, I think it's 10 mark question. 442. Yeah, this topic I think is the must score topic because it's very easy. Okay, please do this one. This 10 mark is like only like 2 formula. But somehow, yeah, I understand because I see some hard question, it can be hard also. But yeah, just the formula, trying to understand the question is won't go until too hard. Okay, let me move on to the next question. Yeah, probability distribution. Yes, yeah, you'll try this one first because I actually need to upload the Z value table. Yeah, I think you can't do because I'm uploading. Okay, give me a moment. I upload a Z value table. Oh my god, where's my Z value table? Is it in my Dropbox? Oh, no, it's here. Okay, I come back to the question just now. Okay. Come have a look on this one. Okay, let me just move here a bit, Okay. Okay, a group of 200 students from the certain school, okay, underwent a medical checkup. Alright, it was 98% of the students fulfill the health standard. Alright, so if 8 students from the school are children at random, find the probability that. Alright, so here you must get the idea. All the students fulfills the health standard. You must get the idea what is N, what is P, and what is Q. Alright, so let me try to digest. I think P is actually 0.98 and Q will equals to 0.02. But what happens to 200 here? Like no function one? All the student, okay, let me just read the question one more time. If 8 students from the school are children at random, okay, yeah, I think they're going to use the 200 later maybe. Okay, let me just continue do. Okay, n equals to 8, and then it says all students fulfill the health standard. 98%, 98%, let me see, 200 multiple 0.898. Yeah, we got 196 students. Yeah, means among the 200 here, got 196. Yep, we got 196 student is got a health standard, and 4 is not. Alright, so I think P and Q, yeah, seems a very common one. Alright, so all the students fulfill the health standard. So R equal, in case 1, just X equals to R. R is just 8. Alright, so it'll be 8, C8, and then 0.98 power of 8, and 0.02 power of 0. Alright, then find the probability, right? So 0.98 power of 8, because all are 1, only this one. So I got 0.8508. Yeah, I think this is the probability they are looking for. Yes. So in the part 2, at most 2 of them do not fulfill the health standard. And most 2 of them do not fulfill. Alright, so since do not fulfill, you got 2 methods to do. If you want to like straight away do, you can actually, okay, now I change my P to 0.02, because this one is do not fulfill the health standard already, and Q is fulfill the health standard. Alright, so yeah, because he said do not, right? So I just change the P and Q according to the do not they want. Alright, so at most 2, right, means I know at most is maximum, so it must be less or equals to 2. So I can do something like I will plus x equals to 0, plus x equals to 1, and then plus x equals to 2. Yeah, just do like this. Actually, you got the other method. Maybe later I will say the other method also. Yeah, this is 0. Alright, then yeah, you just substitute in. So n is still remain the same as 8. Alright, so it will be 8C0, and then P is 0.02. Yeah, power of 0, and then 0.98 power of 8, and then I'm going to plus the second one. Yeah, just plus 1 by 1 So what happened to my mouse? So it'll be 8C1 0.02 power of 1 multiple 0.98 power of 7. Alright, then plus 8C2 0.02 power of 2, and then this one is 0.98 power of 6. Yeah, just plus everything. Yeah, you got the correct answer. Yeah, maybe I can do that. 0.98 power of 8 power of 8. Yeah, so this one is 0.8507 plus 8 multiple 0.02 multiple 0.98 power of 7. Alright, this is 0.1389 plus 8C2 multiple 0.02 square multiple 0.98 power of 6. Alright, this one will be 0.009921. Alright, Then I plus everything. I plus 0.8507. I plus 0.1389. Yeah, I got 0.9995. Wow, almost impossible. Alright, this is the answer I got. You got 999. Impossible, you got 49. Your maximum can get 39 only. Okay. What's wrong with my pen here? I think I accidentally moved the question. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, just now I say you can use the second methods to do, isn't it? Yes, the second methods we can use for this kind of question is, okay, you just use some logics over here because it said do not fulfill the health standard, right? Do not fulfill the health standard, yeah, means what? Means if you still remain P and Q this way, yeah, then you might need some common sense here. Means at most 2. At most 2 means maximum we have 2 students like do not fulfill one. Means maximum is 2 students do not fulfill. Maximum is 2 students do not fulfill. Means the student who fulfill will be 198, 199, and 200. Because maximum 2 students do not fulfill, right? So maximum is 2 students here. I got 198. Then maybe I can have 1 student do not fulfill. It's 199. Maybe I can have 0 student do not fulfill. It's 200. Alright, so yeah, in this case, you have to use n equals to 200 to solve it. Okay, do you got what I mean? So you have to change your n equals to 200. So what you will got is you will got something like 200 C 198, and then yeah, you continue to do that. You will got the same answer, but this one you just try by yourself lah. Alright. Then we go to the second part. Yes, I hope I can make you like more insights on how to solve this kind of question. Yeah, because in the second part I think I need a lot of space, so let me just delete all this. Alright, in the second part, okay, what we have over here, we have a table 11, show the blood sugar level classification based on the guideline by the WHO. Alright, so if your blood sugar level considered low, means it measure the, yeah, I think this is something related to bio and chemistry. Yeah, mean the X is between 1 to 3, your blood sugar level will consider low. It's 3 to 10, your blood sugar level will consider normal, and it's more than 10 is considered high. Alright, this is, yeah, based on WHO. Alright, it was found that blood sugar levels of the student have the normal distribution. Alright, so over here is nothing very special. So he gives you the mean is 5.5. And then he gives you the standard deviation is equal to 2. Alright. And then the student have the low or high blood sugar level need to undergo the treatment. Okay, so the normal one no need to undergo the treatment. So for this one, yeah, you need treatment. And then for this one, you need treatment also. Only the normal one do not need treatment, okay? Alright. So if the student is student random, okay, so I say normally the first, I will let X be my first sentence. So X in this case maybe will be the, yeah, blood sugar level of student. Blood sugar level of student. Alright, just to make myself understand this kind of question better. Alright, then if the student chosen random from the school, find the probability that the student has the high blood pressure. So that means if the student must have high blood pressure, mean the blood sugar level must be bigger or equal to 10. Isn't it? Based on the statistic here. So we know this is probability distribution, so we need to change to Z. So hope you still remember that Z will equal to X minus mean over standard deviation. So you see how I change here? Okay, my X value here will be 10. So it will be 10 minus the mean. Mean I have here is 5.5. over 2. Alright, so obviously I can use calculator to do that. So it's 10 minus 5.5 and then divide by 2. So I got 2.25. Alright, this is very simple. 2.25, you just find the exact value table. I need to find my exact value table. Where's my exact value table? I think it's here. Okay, let me just zoom big a bit for this table. Alright. Okay, where is my 2.25? So I need to find 2.2 is here. So 2.25 will be start from 2.2 here. Okay. 2.25. I need to find 5. 2.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this one. So therefore, for probability z is bigger or equals to 2.25 will be 0.0122. Okay, got it? You see 2.2 and here you have a look on 5. Alright, so yeah, I got this one, so I just write it back. It's 0.0122. It's 0.0122. Alright, Kai-Sing got the answer. Alright, this is just like this. I think it's 2 marks for this one. 2 to 3 marks, I'm not sure. Alright. Okay. For the second part, part 2. Calculate the number of students from the school that have to undergo the treatment. Okay, so you already find the probability for high blood sugar levels. Now you just need to find low, and then you just just sum up the total. Alright, so now I find low. So low, you got it, must be between 1 to 3, isn't it? Yeah, based on the information we have. Alright, so obviously we know we have to change it to the z. So you're going to see how I change here. So I'm going to write a z here. And then both things I substitute the formula is 1 minus 5.5, mean minus mean over standard deviation. This is 3, right? So minus mean over standard deviation. Alright, so what I do here is I use a calculator, of course. 1 minus 5.5 divided by 2. Yeah, I got negative 2.25. And then this is z. And then this is 3 minus 5.5 divided by 2. Yeah, I got negative 1.25. Alright, so before I start to do, I will always sketch out the tree diagram. I'm blur already. I sketch out the bell-shaped diagram. In this case, all in negative, right? This is 0. So negative, so I roughly like sketch. Maybe this is called negative 1.25. And then maybe this is called negative 2.25. Alright, then that means I want to find the area on the middle. Do you see that? So, if in order to find the shaded area, I will use the bigger shaded area to minus a smaller shaded area. So, I sketch the same thing. Just imagine it's the same thing. So, I use the whole thing here. And then to minus the green color part. Okay, the green color part will be somewhere here, isn't it? Okay, this is negative 2.25. Alright, so do you see the big picture over here? So I hope you can see. So this is what I say is, I will go this way is less than, isn't it? So I will say the z, when he less than negative 1.25, I minus this part. For probability, z is less than negative 2.25. Do you see that? If you can't see, yeah, you can raise hand. Alright, so I said less or negative happen at the same time. You can change to bigger, 1.25. And this one, you can't, if less or negative happen at the same time, will be 2.25. Alright, 2.25 we got it just now. So now we have to find for 1.25. So I open the table. I draw a line. 1.25. I have a look on 1.2. Okay, 1.25. I'm going to circle the value. 1.25 is this one. Alright, so for probability, z is bigger or equals to 1.25. I actually will got 0.1056. 0.1056. 0.1056, and then minus the other one will be 0.0122. 0.0122. Alright, then I can got the answer easily. Is that 0.1056 minus 0.0122. Alright, then I can got my answer is 0.0934. Alright, so this is the total probability they are looking for. Yeah, calculate. Oh no, not yet. They ask you to calculate a number of students from the school have to undergo this one. So total we have how many students here? Do this one relate to the, yeah, I think it's relate. That's why they gave you 200 students here. So 200 students, we got this probability, right? So we just like 200. I'm going to multiply 0.0934. So from here I can check how many students have to undergo the treatment. Multiple 0.0934. So which is 18.68. So therefore, I have 18 students who need to undergo the treatment. Okay? Who need to undergo the treatment. Undergo the treatment. You just write everything lah. Alright, it's not really hard, but you need to understand. I thought have to plus with the height. Yes, have to plus with the height. Thank you for that. I almost forget. Yeah, the high blood pressure is this one, right? Yeah, so basically we have to plus that one also, sorry. So have to multiply this one plus 0.0122, which is high blood pressure. This one is low blood pressure. Alright, then only you can multiple. So my answer is wrong, this one. So let me erase this one. So it will be 0.0934 plus 0.0122. Okay. Yeah, then times 200. Yeah, we got 21. We got 21.12 students. So basically, 21.12, we already take 21 students will undergo the treatment. Okay? Why not 19? Yeah, whenever you got decimal, we only take this one because 21.12 is not yet reached 22, so you cannot take 22 students. You only can take 21.12. Okay, I hope I answered the question for Famida. So why do need to minus? Find the area. Yeah, we already minus what? What do you mean by don't need to minus? If 21.5 need to become 22, no, we only take 21 because 21.5 is not yet reached 22, so you cannot write it as a 22. Okay, this is, I think, how many marks for this question? Yeah, it's 10 mark question also. So I hope you can understand this probability distribution. It's quite important somehow. Okay. Okay, last on the last question. The last question we got differentiation. We got motion along the straight line or solution of triangle. Maybe you'll just choose one of it. Yeah, because of the time. Yeah. Which question you hope I discuss here? Differentiation or motion along the straight line or solution of triangle? Okay. Since a lot of students want differentiation, maybe we discuss differentiation. Alright. Okay, maybe we just discuss two more lah. Since I have some time. Okay, differentiation and okay, since differentiation already in. Okay, so for solution of triangle and motion along the straight line, what another one more? Yeah, we discussed two more questions. Okay, motion. Since a lot of you say motion, maybe you do motion. I think solution. Yeah, okay. Then we will do this too. but I think I will just go and grab some Milo here. So just give me 3 minutes. So you all just like try this question. All plus 1. What's the meaning for plus 1? Really? The Milo sudah habis? Oh my god. Then maybe I try to go to kitchen, see any food here, because I feel so hungry now. Yeah, so you all just have a look on this question. I'm going to come back in a few minutes. Yes, I'm back. Okay. Maybe we'll discuss Yeah, 2 more questions, like what I promised just now. Okay, have a look this one. For this kind of question, normally you need to form one equation first before you can get this one. Because normally you have like 3 unknowns, so you need to have 2 equations and then do something like simultaneous equation. Alright, so over here, what I have is, okay, diagram 10 shows a solid cylinder with a volume. So first he give you the volume is 256. Is this question similar with the question yesterday? I think it's the same question yesterday. So yeah. Yeah, anyways, you're just like go to watch the replay yesterday. So yeah, so we will go to the question 11 and 12. Yeah, I think Kai Sing actually like sent me this question. Okay, then yeah, I think no need to watch already. Yeah, we can do the last 2 questions here. Alright, motion along the straight line. Alright, this one is quite simple. So first he give you the particle move along the straight line, the velocity is v. So we got the equation v equals to 12t minus 2t squared minus 16. Where t is the time in the second after leaving point. Okay, t is the time in second after leaving point O. So here, this sentence trying to tell us s equals 0, t equals 0. Because time start to calculate after leaving origin. Alright, this is what they're trying to say. So the particle stop momentarily at the point Q and P and Q. So over here I know at P, V equals 0. So same thing when at Q, V equals 0. So alright, this is some information we got from the sentence. Alright, so now he asks you to find the maximum velocity of the particle. So maximum velocity means differentiate V. Alright, equal to 0. So it's simple. We differentiate V. We got 12 minus 4t equals 0. So 4t will equal to 12. T will equal to 3. So over here, this is not yet the answer. We have to find maximum velocity, right? Substitute back to the V. So V will equal to 12, 3 minus 2, 3 squared minus 16. So which is 36. 36 minus 18 minus 6. Yeah, we got 2. Isn't it? 36 minus 18 minus 16. Yeah, we got 2 meter cm per second. Alright. Okay, this is how we find the maximum. So first, maximum velocity means just differentiate V, and then you got it 0 because maximum minimum also you got 0, and then you just solve it. You got 12 minus 4t, and then just solve it. You got t equal to 3. Substitute back to the velocity equation. Alright, it's simple. Okay, then you need to find the distance for P and Q. That's why we got the information velocity equal to 0 at P and Q. Alright, so we have to find the displacement for P, and we also need to find the displacement for Q. So I have to go. Thank you. No problem. Yeah, see you soon. Bye bye. Yeah, so therefore we need to find displacement. So we need to find displacement. So I'm going to like erase some of it because maybe I use the place here will be easier for me to explain. So displacement means I need to find S. So from here, at least I know if I need to find S, I need to integrate V dt. Alright, so I just need to integrate V, integrate 12t minus 2t squared minus 16. Alright, so I integrate this one, I will got 12t squared over 2 minus 2t cubed over 3 minus 16t plus c. Alright, this is S. Alright, therefore we got this one. S equals to 0, t equals to 0. You substitute 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, your c will equal to 0. Alright, you can try to substitute in. If you not believe you got 0 for c, you can try it yourself. So therefore, we got our S equation is equals to, yeah, this one simplified, 6. So we got 6t squared minus 2 over 3 t cubed minus 16t. All right, we need to find the displacement. So for P and Q, so we know V equal to 0, right, at that moment. So from there, I actually can get time. All right, so yeah, I'm going to use some space maybe here. All right, so I got 0 equals to 12t minus 2t squared minus 16. All right, I just multiple negative for everything and I divide 2 for everything. So t squared, I divide 2. All right, so means actually I over negative 2, I over negative 2, I over negative 2. Okay, got it? Then, yeah, this one will give me minus 6t. And over negative 2, this one will give me plus 8 equal to 0. And I just factorize here. Equal to 0. This is t. This is 4. This is 2. Is minus. So t equals to 2 or t equals to 4. So the problem now we have is we do not know t equals to 2 is belong to P or t equals to 4 is belong to Q. We have no information about this. But I know one of it is for P and one of it is for Q. So it doesn't matter. So we want to find the distance for P and Q. We just need to find the displacement for these two. So basically what I will do is I substitute both into the S. So when t equals to 2, yeah, S will equals to 6 multiple 2 square minus 2 over 3, 2 cube minus 16, 2. Alright, then you got the answer. Can someone help me to press the calculator? Alright, and when t equals to 4, so S will equals to 6, 4 square minus 2 over 3, 4 cube, and then minus 16, 4. You got both of these answer, and then I'm going to teach you how to find the displacement. Yeah, maybe I can press myself, so it's 16. Okay, minus 2 over 3 multiple 64 minus 64. Alright, this is negative 32 over 3. Alright, for this one will be 6 multiple 4 is 24 minus 2 over 3 multiple 8 minus 32. Yep. This is negative 40 over 3. Alright, so therefore we got these two answers. You need to find the distance between them. Let's say this is origin. So negative 32 over 3. Okay, maybe I change to decimal, will be easier for some student. Or negative 13.33. Or this one will be 32 divided by 3. I change to decimal will be easier for some student. 10.67 negative. Alright, so obviously we know this is negative 10.67 first, then only we will reach negative 13.33, isn't it? Either one is P, either one is Q, is the other matter. Alright, or you can write fraction, also can, depend what you want. Alright, so we want to find their distance here. So obviously, yeah, we just do the minus lah. So you can use 13.33 minus 10.67. Alright, so distance between PQ will be, yeah, you can use 13.33 minus 10.67 because it's the same, 2.66. Alright, yeah, of course if you want to use the fraction to calculate this one, yeah, you can do so. Alright, wow, 7 marks for all this. Yeah, then you got 2 marks to sketch the velocity time graph. So velocity time graph will be, yeah, so we have to sketch, no choice. Alright, so we're going to sketch it together. So let me just erase. I think we do not use this information, so just erase it. Okay. Okay. For velocity time graph, before I sketch, I will collect all my information first. Then only I start to sketch. So first thing is, yeah, I know V will equals to 0 when t equals to 2 or t equals to 4. Okay, first information I have. And then just now I know my maximum velocity. Just now I got my maximum velocity, right? My maximum velocity will equals to 2 when time will equals to, let me see, I forget about time already, 4t, time equals to 3. Alright, okay, this information enough for me to sketch already. Alright, so I will got something like this. Okay, maximum, okay, this is time, this is v. Alright, so I will got 3, 2, and velocity equals 0 at 2, 4. Yeah, so I got something like this. Alright, this is 3 here, and then the velocity here will be 2, and then this one will be 2 and 4. They will add 0. First 4 seconds, right? Yeah, first 4 seconds, maybe you need a y-intercept also. Yeah, when t equals 0. Yeah, sorry. You will need when t equals 0. T equals 0, you got negative 16. Negative 16 when t equals 0. Yeah, so let me just draw it again nicely. Yeah, so you got from negative 16. So I got something like this. Alright, this is v and this is t. So I will from here passing through stop here. So this one will be 3, this one will be 2, this one will be 4, and this one will be negative 16. This one will be time. And this one will be 2. Okay? Yes, just like this, because only two mark only. So over here, actually only this combination of information I find myself. Because this, for the second part and the third part, actually I got it from my previous question already. Okay? This is how we sketch the velocity time graph for the first 4 seconds. I hope, yeah, it might help you a bit. And then last one, only 1 mark. Given that A is a point which is 7 centimeter to the left of O, express the displacement of S in centimeter from A in terms of T. What they're trying to say is given that A is a point is 7 centimeter left. So that means here it tell you S is negative 7 because on the left side. Alright, express the displacement in S in centimeter in terms of T. I think just substitute this one into the S equation. Oh my god, I've deleted my S equation. Luckily, I got something here. So S will equals to 6t squared minus 2 over 3t cubed minus 16t, right? I think what they're trying to say is, yeah, when this one is like 7 centimeter on the left of O, right? So it will be negative 7. So you just substitute negative 7 here. So equals to 6t squared minus 2 over 3t cubed minus 16t. I think that's all. We are just 1 mark. Express the displacement of the particle S. Yeah, I mean S from A. Now from A mean S equal to negative 7 in terms of T. Yeah, I think it's this one. Maybe it's something like 6t squared minus 2 over 3t cubed minus 16t plus 7. So blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm not so sure about this one because the question sounds weird. Let me see. Given that point A is blah blah blah. Okay, let me just trying to sketch out the diagram, see whether I can get more idea about how to solve this one or not. Okay, so let's say I got this one, and this is O, and A will be here, is 7 centimeter from origin. Yeah, so displacement for this one will be -7 because this is 7 cm. Express the displacement of the particle S in terms of T. Yeah. Oh, particle S. This is particle S, not displacement S. Okay, so the particle itself is S, right? Okay, so the particle S here in terms of T, right? Yeah, so the particle, yes, so the particle S is just equal to -7 in terms of T. It's 7 cm. Oh, I understand already. Yes. So for the particle S, right, because it's like 7 centimeter on the left hand side of the origin, so you just copy the equation, 6t squared minus 2 over 3t cubed minus 16t minus 7. Because it's like 7 centimeter on the left of the origin. So that means if we move 1 unit toward here, when t equals to 1, maybe he move 1 centimeter here when t equals to 1, right? So you substitute t equals to 1, you will got the correct one. So over here, he just want you to show that you will write the -7 over here. Yes, I think that's all. Nothing special. Just ask you to write out this equation. Right. So let's move on to the last one, solution of triangle. Yes, after this one, I think I can go for dinner. Okay. Okay, solution of triangle. So he say, yeah, skill is not acceptable. All right. I hope you can see this one. If you can't see, let me know. All right, over here, the diagram show two triangle ABC and CDE such that BCD, where is BCD? BCD is a straight line. Okay. So AC equals to 6 centimeters, so here will be 6. And BC equals to 5 centimeters, so BC this is 5. And DE equals to 7. DE, where is DE? DE here will be 7. Alright. And AB is parallel to DC. Okay. AB is parallel to this EC. Alright. Okay, this is all the information I have. Find the length of AB in 3 decimal. So we need to find AB. So yeah, we just use the cos rule. So AB will equals to square root of 5 square plus 6 square minus 2, 5, 6 cos 60. Nothing special, just use the cos rule. So 5 square plus 6 square minus 2 times 5 times 6 times cos 60. Okay, the square root 31. So will be all square root answer. We'll got 5.568 centimeter. Alright, I think it's cm. Alright, simple. Okay, this is part 1. For the part 2. Okay, what is this? Find the angle DCE. Where is DCE? DCE. Okay, since they are parallel. Yeah, parallel means that over here, this angle will be same with this angle. This is what we call parallel. So, yeah, let me write this one in first. So, it's 5.568. Alright, so that means I can actually use sine rule to find this one. So, before that, I will say something like this. AB is parallel to EC. So, therefore, angle DCE will same with the angle CBA or ABC. Alright, so therefore I can find this one now. Alright, so I will say sine angle CBA over 6 equals to sine 60 over 5.568. Just use a sine rule. Alright, so angle CBA will equals to sine 60 over 5.568 multiple 6. Alright, then I'm going to shift sign answer. Okay, it will be 68.94 degree. Done. Alright, some students ask me, can I change to minutes also? Yes, you can do that. You just press your calculator. He will tell you it's 68 degree, 56 minutes. Yeah, if you want to do like this, cannot use comma or. Either one is correct. But normally I will use the first one because it's no different. Alright, so since I got this one, if 68.94 degree. Okay, so ask me to find the area for CDE. Where is CDE? I need to find the angle for this one. Yeah, I will need another length. Do I have another length here? Okay, I need to find then. So yeah, I can use sine rule to find the length. So I need to find, maybe I find CE. Okay, sine rule again. Okay, so let me erase this one. See, we got all this and I label it in the graph already, in the diagram already. So let me just erase it because I need more space for this one. Alright. So then, okay, I want to find the CE. So CE over sine 40. Okay, CE over this angle, right, equals to sine 7 over sine 68.94. This is just a common sine rule. I hope you are fine to understand this one. This one over this one, this one over this one. Okay, something like this. Or this one over this one over this one. Alright, so yeah, CE is just equal to sine over 7 over sine 68.94 and then multiple sine 640. Alright, nothing very hard here. So it's 4.82. Alright, now I got the CE at least. So in order to use the sine rule to find the triangle, we know area equals to 1 over 2 AB sine C, isn't it? So I need to have, now I have this length and this length, I need to have this angle. So this angle just 180 minus these two. So 180 minus 68.94 minus 40. So the angle on the middle here will be 71.06. 06. Alright, so yeah, so area will be equal to half. Two sides, one is 4.82, the other one will be 7, multiple sine angle in between, which is 71.06. Okay, then you just use a calculator. 4.82 multiple 7 multiple sine 71.06 and then divided by 2. Alright, so it will be 15.96 centimeters square. Alright, this is the area for triangle. Yeah, this is part 3. So total here, 7 mark. Alright, I think it's not so bad, right? I think it's something like 233, something like that. Alright, the mark. Alright, part B, ambitious case. Okay, ambitious case, he normally will give you some information. Most of the time for ambitious case, we only move one line on the triangle. Right, and then you must got the idea of the isosceles triangle. So I'm going to explain here. So over here is, okay, something you must understand first before I start to do. So here he says C, the new coordinate C will lie on the line CD. So the new coordinate C will on this line. It can be some point on this line C to D. Okay, so C will on this line. Alright, and then it says CE must same with the CE. So okay, you see what I do here. This is the length of CE, right? Okay, C to E, this is the length. So since they must be same, so I have to do something like isosceles triangle. So you see, I move the line to somewhere, make sure they have the same length. Okay, now this one will be my new coordinate of C. My new C will be here. Why I know my new C will be here? You see isosceles triangle here? This length and this length is the same. Okay, do you see the isosceles triangle here? Yes, so this one will be my new triangle. I fulfill the condition. First, they say the new C must lie on the line CD. Yes, my new C is here. And then they say the CE will same with the new CE. Yeah, they are the same because it's an isosceles triangle one. So this is how we solve the ambitious case. I hope, yeah, at least give you some insight here. Then, yeah, then I'm going to draw out the triangle. So this is my CE, and then this is my length like this. Alright, so yes, this is my new triangle, so I'm going to label it. So this one is E, and new C, and D. Sketch CDE, CDE. Okay, we are done. Draw out in the exam. Yes, you have to draw out. Alright, so this is 40 degree. This one remains 70 centimeter. So since this one is the same, oh my god, do we have CE here? Yes, we have CE. So it's 4.82. Yeah, good. Alright, and then since we got all this information, yeah, I'm trying to explain something more here. Oops. Oh my god, I just erased too many things. Okay. Okay, just now we got this angle. Oh my god. Okay. We got this angle is 78.694, right? Okay, since these two is the same length, so it's isosceles triangle. So this angle will be the same also. So this angle will be 68.94 also. So this is a straight line, right? So I know this angle is 180 minus this one. So this is what I'm trying to say. Alright, so I do not need this one. Let me just erase this one. So therefore, this angle will be 180 minus 68.94. So I just use a calculator. 180 minus 68.94 is 111.06. Right, it's so important to get this angle. Okay, then what is the last part they asked us to find? They asked us to find the angle DCE. DCE, yeah, I just find. So angle DCE equals to this one. Alright, this is the last part they asked for. I just find. Yeah, you need to sketch out. But you no need to like exactly the same centimeter lah, because it's just us to sketch. Right? So as long as the pattern is correct, the label is correct, the angle is correct, yes, you will got full mark for that. Okay, so it's so important about the isosceles triangle, the concept, because since this is isosceles triangle, so we know this angle must be same with this angle. These two angles need to be same. Then you can easily find the angle, because only 2 mark, you know, 2 mark you need to draw a triangle, and then you need to find the angle. Means 1 mark for this one and 1 mark for this one. So you don't think until too complicated. Alright, it's 7:45. Yes, we almost use 2.5 hours to like finish this one, and then actually we skip 2 or 3 questions over here. You'll find out actually I never discussed about. Okay, just now we skipped the differentiation, and then the first question, number 1, simultaneous equation, I skip also, and the last question, linear programming, I skip also, because it's like impossible to finish in 2 hours. Can you show us another type of ambitious case? Actually, you can go to my YouTube channel. I do make a video about ambitious case. I explain like quite well over there. Yes, I think there's more on. Yeah, you can go to my YouTube channel, because I'm extremely hungry now. I need to go and grab some food. Yes, I think you are quite tired also, because sit here for 2.5 hours. If I was the student last time, I won't like sit in front of laptop for 2.5 hours to learn. Yes. Yeah, make sure you are hardworking a bit. Yeah, don't be so lazy. No problem. Yeah, I'm going to end this virtual classroom, and I think I will separate into 3 different videos to upload to YouTube, because YouTube is not allowing me to upload such a long video here. So I got one question regarding the quadratic function. Yes, please. Faster. Call 1002525. Is this the number for Pizza Hut? Oh my god. Seems like their advertising is very successful. Yeah, because everyone can remember that. Yeah, any question? But need to upload the questions. Yeah, maybe you send it to my Facebook page and then I try to reply you. Yeah, I saw your question yesterday, but I just too busy yesterday. I can't reply you. Actually, you realize in my Facebook page I got like more than 20 questions over there I haven't replied. Yeah, this few days I got my class and then I have to teach online. I have to prepare all the material and all that. I'm so sorry that I still haven't replied so many questions on my Facebook page. I will reply as soon as possible. Yeah, and then I still got a lot of exam paper haven't marked because I teach in school also. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Any classes after this? Yeah, luckily no, but I have few classes tomorrow. Yes. For the integration, bottom that part the triangle of the any curve part. How the curve part? Miss the explanation. Yeah, the part you missed, please watch the replay for Alvin. Yeah, and Alvin, I will see you on Monday, right? Yeah, you can ask me on Monday. Okay, so I'm going to end the class now. No problem. Yes. Thank you so much for participating. Yeah, maybe on Monday we will discuss about trigonometric function. I hope we have some time, Monday and Tuesday. I try to make another 2 more virtual class. We have no virtual class for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow give yourself a rest and study for your account. Yeah, bye-bye. That's all. Anything, just find me in my Facebook page.